Otis.
What's your list?
I'm just good at it.
That's one foot.
One shot.
That's why I literally see no one on me.
Woo! Devin, you drink that.
Jack.
I came for the
What?
people.
Alright, so, Garrett, you drink. We're trying here. Come on. You look very
Take it out.
long as you're tongue of my life.
Hey Maria, you thirsty?
Maria's thirsty.
It's very nutritious for you.
There's some thunder shit in the backyard. Very nutritious.
Hey, someone gotta be drinking.
They're taking the ball away.
What was the really easy question?
Yeah, please.
Good angle.
You're like.
Wait, man. I can't stand my body. Maybe just and then don't. I have a job, so get out.
She works for Big Pharma.
It really just depends on the job.
All right, Blue Tribe. Kind of fell apart there a little bit.
At the end.
Yeah.
I'm voting for Luke because I don't want you to make it to the merge because I know that you're gonna flip and do whatever Toby tells you to do. So I can't trust you past the merge.
Luke, I'm sorry. I know I told you I'd be in an alliance with you, but the game's a game. So I want to win. Thank you.
So, I'm voting for Liz. She didn't make her shots, and she wasn't there where it counted.
I unfortunately have to vote out my colleague Luke. Love the guy, but he wants to create peace with the other team. We don't know when we're gonna merge, so it's kind of a loose cannon right now. We're blue all the way. I'm sorry, buddy, but
We all agreed that somebody had to go. No, there's no hard feelings. We all agreed on someone. Turns out it's me. I'm the one who's me.
Voting for Luke. No hard feelings. You're awesome, dude. I gotta go with the squad. What do I say?
First vote, Luke. Second vote, Liz. Third vote, Luke. Fourth vote, Luke. That's 3 Luke, 1 Liz. Fourth person voted out of Survivor Bird Island. Luke. Luke, if you'll come up here by the torch.
I know the feeling, man.
Luke, the tribe has spoken.